My first time at Six Flags Magic Mountain for both the Six Flags Kids Boo Fest and Fright Fest later on. Well, let's check out the Boo Fest. You guys know this place, right? Well, you don't. It's world. It says right there, world famous. You must know it, right? It's world famous. Might get that. Strawberry shortcake. I didn't realize. I guess I didn't read very well. There's an entire strawberry shortcake pop in there, and a little bit of a Pop-Tart. So, it's melting. I better drink it quickly. It includes the entire strawberry shortcake pop, a little bit of a Pop-Tart, which has fallen in. Honestly, this ice cream combination with on the outside, on the inside is really good. Or maybe I'm just used to good humor. Maybe this is higher quality. I think it's good humor. All this red, they should sell it during Fright Fest because it looks like blood. So we're now in Bugs Bunny World. I can't believe that's the actual name. It is literally called Bugs Bunny World. As you can hear, they have family-friendly Halloween songs, which is like, why don't they do this at Universal? But anyway, this is how popular the Barbie movie is. They have a Barbie photo op. Yeah, they didn't pay for Barbie, but it's Barbie. It's an interesting theater here. It's a regular theater, but on the outside there's another theater, so it's 2 theaters in one. I haven't seen that before. Here's a little activity area. This is a little coloring area. Some crayons.
We had to go on 2 times and she didn't want to go, and then she said, and then
pretty
she
cool.
wakes up and she's like,
Over here you can color your masks.
What?
yeah.
And I guess cut it out, or
Yeah.
they cut it out?
Yeah, you cut it out and then you hole punch it into the string. And you can...
Okay, cool. This park has a lot of really huge, massive, scary, intense roller coasters. This isn't one of them. Looks like they have a sensory level and participation guide here, which is cool. A little bit more of Bugs Bunny World. I said that name, man. Here's another coaster that's pretty small, but it's not even running. Really small. It's a fun little hay maze. Keep saying the same sort of cotton webbing everywhere. These look pretty cool. Or they will at night. Yeah, well, they're solar powered. Which way do you go? Oh no, I made the wrong turn. I gotta go back. Oh my gosh. Duh! Stuff and face. Okay, I think I'm gonna. I think I'm getting it. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Wait, I think I got it. Yay! I want to ride it. It's a nice little over. Universal doesn't do that for any of the rides. But for some reason, it's not running today. It's candy o'clock somewhere, and that somewhere is here. So here's the little treat trail. Over here we have M&M's, always a good thing. M&M's and also, oh, thank you.
Have you got one from
Milky Way.
Yeah, sorry. Dave, do you want those?
Yeah, I'm fine. I can take that. It's a cute little trail. No? Over here we have, I do actually.
One?
Sure, thank you.
You're welcome.
M&M's.
Cool, thanks.
Those are cute. Not printed very well. Some, a palette.
She wanted to wear it, so I said okay. Yep, she wanted to wear it for a bit.
I'm guessing this has something to do with the Boo Fest because of his wardrobe. I wonder if this was actually,
Bugs and Bunny game.
no, it's custom built.
There used to be like
I think. Looks like there's supposed to be an actor in there.
yeah, like
Maybe they're on break. Over here, the Looney Tunes Lodge, which is a ball pit, I believe. Yes, a ball pit.
Nice.
Just like we had at Universal. Just because it's a little kid's ride doesn't mean I'm not going to ride it. Am I going to ride it? Yes, I am. I can't believe they don't cover these up for Boo Fest.
But it won't be easy. You and your little team of dimwits are no match for me.
Oh!
No.
Oh, I remember this now.
Is out of our head.
I think this is a Sally Dark ride.
Time taking over Metropolis. We just can't wait for these victims, I mean volunteers, to come out here and join the party. It'll be a real blast.
Oh, that's
Those guys are off their rockers. And that laughing gas is no joke. So I'm sending you to Star Labs to help Superman shut down production. Then I'll meet you at LexCorp. Okay, Justice League Reserve Team, there's no time to waste. Head through those doors where Argus agents will equip you with safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris.
This is my at least fourth Sally Dark ride this year. Back home from the California trip, but the Six Flags Kids Boo Fest was really great. The characters are out in 2 sets during the day, but it was kind of cute. I had a hard time finding the treat trail, but remember it was also my first time in that park ever, so it could be that. Also, it only runs during certain times of the day. Also, as you saw, we were told that Ed and I were not allowed to have a bag for the Boo Fest, the treat trail, because we are adults. But then when we got on the trail, we were able to get candy anyway, so that was strange. Unfortunately, some of the kids' rides were closed, which aren't really part of the fest, but if you're there with kids, you're going to want to go on the rides, right? The activities were really cool as well, the coloring and the making the masks. I like the fact that they have kid-friendly music in the park, because Universal doesn't do that for either in Hollywood or here in Orlando. They just play the regular park music until right before Horror Nights starts, so I really appreciated that as well. Overall, really nice thing that they do for kids during the day. I'm still surprised that they leave some of the gory props out during the day. That's interesting. I don't know why they do that. And sorry if I'm talking strange. I just had a dental appliance put in for the next few months and I'm not used to it yet. So, hooray, that's fun. But if you're looking for Fright Fest, I will be posting that as a separate video. But for now, thanks for watching, and remember, haunt season never ends.